Yes, you heard it right.
Yeshas Academy recorded classes are available for free now.
So, sir, what is independence to you?
Liberty, freedom, right to make the choice.
Free from fear of failing.
Freedom to dream what I want and live my dream.
For a professional student, freedom includes all of this.
This Independence Day, Yeshas Academy is coming up with the Freedom Pass, which will allow students from all over India to watch our recorded classes for free from 15th August to 31st August.
So, this is applicable for every student who is appearing for their exams this September to strengthen all the topics in which they lack confidence. Also, this is applicable for students CA or CS appearing in their December or Jan exam to complete the full syllabus.
You get access to all recorded classes and exam oriented fast track batches.
To access the content, visit the Yeshas Academy online website and click on Online Classes portal. From there, you can click on the bundle lectures and all the free lectures are available. This is also available on the Yeshas Academy mobile app. Links of all these are attached in the description below.